Hey guys, I've been gifted a pretty large Opuntia cactus from my neighbor. Pretty soon, any minute now, it's going to be here on the back of a wheelbarrow, and I just need to make room for it. So getting out the shovel and getting a hole in the ground so it's ready to put in when it arrives. So get some of the root system of these weeds out of here. No doubt they'll grow back. Wouldn't it be nice if they didn't, but that's not the way the world works in gardening. So I'm kind of in a hurry because it's supposed to be here about 12:30, and it's about that time right now. Also have different little things growing in here that I want to try and keep. It's because I'm not going to be able to work around that cactus because it's got long spines. So if I have to take out a few things that aren't weeds in order to make space, I just got to do it. I'd like to keep these alyssum in here though. There it is. Yeah, I've got a hole. I made the hole too big. I got to fill the hole in a little bit.
You want it with the plastic or no?
No.
To protect with for golfer.
So Rico just laid a little base of some chicken wire down there to hopefully keep the gophers at bay. And here it goes in. That's one way to do it.
Nice piece of wood you got here.
I like it. Voila.
How much
It's
of
in.
this is yours?
I like somebody else doing the work for a change, Rico. Well, that's a start to the hillside project right there.
See, now no one will come up the hill and come through this area right here.
Well, Rico got all of the Opuntia cactus put in. I'm really excited about that. Gonna clear out that section and start adding to that and getting rid of some of the weeds and replacing it with more cacti and more other succulents. And it's gonna be a great project. So thank you, Manson, my neighbor. So I'll just show you where it is in the garden so you have some kind of orientation of where that cactus went in. So there's my big cactus patch and the spiral. So, and this is the hillside project that I started over there. That's going to run all along here. And there's one of my euphorbias and an aloe. And so here is where the Opuntia went in, just past Catherine's garden. So it'll get plenty of sun there, so it should be happy. And it's got some alyssum growing in there. Gonna weed some more through there and lay down some mulch, not real close to the cactus, but a little bit ways away to keep the weeds there and have this little pocket of weed free. But There we go. It's in. Yay.